Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install MongoDB community server, which in turn will install MongoDB Compass in your system. So let's start. At first go to your favorite browser and type MongoDB community server and click enter. Then go to the first link, scroll down below. As you can see, the version is 7.2.9, which is the current version, and the platform is Windows and the package is MSI. So you can either select MSI or zip, whichever you want. Choosing MSI, click on download. As you can see, it's downloading. It will take some time to download. As you can see, the MongoDB community server downloading is complete. So now double click on this. It's preparing to install. Now click on next. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on next. Click on complete. Click on next. Again click on next. Click on install. So it will take some time to install. Now as you can see, the MongoDB installation is completed. So click on finish. Now this is the MongoDB Compass interface. So this is the UI from which you can create your database and collections inside it. This is the connection URI through which you can connect to MongoDB deployment. Click on connect to connect to the database. As you can see, the database is connected, and from here you can copy the connection string when you want to connect your Node.js to the MongoDB. But for now, let's not go into that. Now to create a new database, you have to click on this plus button. Give the database name. I will give my data, and then you have to give a collection name. I can give as test and click on create database. So my data database is created, and inside it we have one collection which is test. If you don't know, then let me just tell you that MongoDB database has number of collections, and each collection contains number of objects in the form of document. Okay, and now document will have key value pairs. Now let's create a new document inside this collection test. Click on add data. Click on insert document. And now as you can see, ID is the key and it has the ID number. This is the value. So let's add another key value pair. Give comma, enter. And I will give my name as the value and the key will be name. So I have given my name. So I have inserted a new key value pair in this document. Click on insert. As you can see, the document 1 is created with this ID number. Like this, you can insert number of documents inside the collection, and you can create more collection inside this database by clicking on this plus, and you can create a new collection by giving the collection name and click on create collection. So this is how we can install the MongoDB community server or the MongoDB Compass in our system. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.